Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bhavna. First of all, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. So today I have something new and interesting for you. So what is new? So I want to tell you that many people wants to learn this English language, but the people has not right path that how can we improve in English language. First, I want to tell you, and you also know that I hope that if we want to learn whatever language, we must know about the vocabulary. If you know the vocabulary, so your English will improve day by day. But what is the condition here? The condition is that you must know about the word. So I have one technique for you that if we talk about our house, you have to improve our vocabulary. So let's take our house. Mean that we have to start using word for our homes. That in our house many utensils are available, and you know that in our house has a many tools. And when many times this type of happening and situation happened with everyone, that we start speaking in English language, but we don't know about the English meaning of that word. If whatever utensils if we have, and we have to start speaking on them, so we don't know about that English meaning. So which technique I am giving you? You have to listen carefully and try to understanding that what I want to say, because I am also learning this language. Okay, so listen, you have to take a page and you have to write on Hindi meaning. Which about what Hindi meaning? That words of Hindi meaning that you don't know the English meaning of that word. This type of word you have to write on the page and search, and after that you have to search, and you have to stick on wall where these utensils are available, and you regularly use of that object, or we can say that words. This type of word you have to start speaking. That if you have a gilas, so don't use gilas, you have to use glass. If you have a chammach, so don't use chammach, you have to use spoon. So this type of, and you can see next you have to take kitchen materials, kitchen utensils. In the kitchen many utensils are available, so you have to take a page and write the Hindi meaning and translate in English and stick on wall. And whenever you are using of that utensils, you have to see the stick on wall the page, that yes, this English meaning is there, so yes, I have to use this English word for this. Understand? This type of regularly you have to do this practice, and sometimes later this type of word put in your mind. This activity is usually best and amazing. I also do it. I also do. And yes, that is very helpful. So if you really want to learn this English language, so you have to do this trick. That's all.